I-ANC Kwazulu Natal isebenza ngokuzikhandla ekuletheni uguquko kuleliqembu. Leliqembu likwazile ukubuyisana nowabe enguMengameli wezwe uThabo Mbeki kanye nowabe eyiliPhini likaMengameli weANC ukGgalema Motlanthe ekutheni babe yingxenye yemigubho yeANC Kwazulu Natal. Laba bobabili bahoxa ekuzibandakanyeni neANC kulesifundazwe emva kwengqungquthela yokuqoka ubuholi beANC eyayibanjwe ngo-2007 neyango-2012.
Lezi yizona iziwombe ezadala ukuthi uMbeki ayiflathele iANC kakhulukazi sifundazwe iKwazulu Natal. Lesifundazwe yikhaya lowabe enguMengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma.
When the president said beyond this valley there must be redemption, we believe KZN would be counted among those who are going to be leading that project. And we're committed, we have a program, we were intervening where there are challenges. So we think you comrades must come back and make a contribution.
Mbeki noMotlanthe sebeyizivakashi esijwayelekile kulesi sifundazwe esinamalunga amaningi eANC.
Comrade Motlanthe will come tomorrow and talk about Ray, but subsequent to that, somewhere before the end of the year, he will be coming back to an internal discussion with the structures about what is it that we need to do to renew the ANC. In the same way, President Mbeki is still going to come back because we have agreed that we'll work out a program and that he will also go away and apply his mind of what could be practically done emanating from that political school.
Umhlaziyi wezombusazwe usolwazi somadoda afikeni uthi iKwazulu Natal izama ukuzivuselela njengoba ababemthwele ngeqoma kosokumongamela iqembu uDokotela uNkosazana Dlamini Zuma wakhala ngaphansi kwathi uCyril Ramaphosa kwaba uyena odla umhlanganiso engqungqutheleni eyayiseNazareth. Usolwazi ufikeni uthi uNtuli uyingxenye yezizukulwana esisha esabaholi kwiANC.
He may not be consciously doing that, but his actions have brought in a breath of fresh air in an ANC that is quite politicized.
Umongameli weqembu Ramaphosa usephakamisa ukuthi kube nobumbano bese lakheke kabusha iqembu elibusayo. Isifundazwe iKwazulu Natal ibonakala njengesihamba phambili kulezi zinto ezifuna nguRamaphosa. Kusamkelo Maseko ezindabeni zeSABC eGoli.